guys, it's your girl Ty. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys how to do this golden makeup look. I think it's perfect for summer. I also think it's perfect to go with any outfit, and also you can wear it with any lip. I decided to do something pretty neutral and soft today, but you can do it with a red lip, purple lip, blue lip if you want, girl. Do what you want. It can go with anything. Also, I told you guys I'm doing a little series here. So I showed you guys my foundation routine. Last week I showed you a pretty natural makeup look. Today I'm giving you this golden look. So I'm hoping you guys enjoy it. The next video should be the end of this little series. Well, yeah, the end of this little series, but then I'll have another one coming up. So hopefully you guys like it and I get some really good feedback on it. I'm gonna upload that next video next Tuesday. I think I'm gonna start uploading more. I think I'm gonna upload on Fridays and Sundays as well. If I do upload this Friday and upcoming Sunday, it won't have nothing to do with this series. But that next video will be next Tuesday. Also, I said I was going to dedicate each video to someone. So this video is going to be dedicated to Wanda. I met Wanda on Facebook. She's an admin of a makeup group that I'm in. And anytime I upload a tutorial or my bougie on a budget, she always comments on it, leaves me nice comments, and also asks me to share it to the group, which I do. So I appreciate it, and I just want to say thank you. This video is dedicated to Wanda. And if you guys want to see this look, just wait. Y'all should, if you follow me, you already know what I'm gonna say. If you want to see this look, first subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and then you can watch. So my face is already done. Today I'm just focusing on the eyes. If you want to see my foundation tutorial, I'll link it in the description box below, and I'll also have it shown for you to click on at the end of this video. So let's get started with eyes. So I'm just putting my LA Girl Pro Concealer over my eyes so I can have a base. And then I'm just going to blend that all out. And now I'm just taking my banana powder and I'm going to set that concealer that I put on my eyes. So for the eyes, I'm going to be using my Glam palette again. I love this palette. I know I keep using it. I'm going to try not to use it for the next tutorial, but I'm going to use this one today because I really love this palette. Taking a big fluffy brush, I'm going to go into this palette and I'm going to use Orange Soda. And I'm going to put that all in my crease. And this is a really light color, can't really see it too much, but I like to put this down as a transition color. Now I'm gonna go in with burnt orange with the same brush and blend that in too. I want to go in with the color that is close to my complexion because I want this look to look really nice, natural, but glowy. And as you can see, this is not giving me that much color. It's just kind of blending it in, making it look more like my complexion. I said I was going to use my soft Glam palette, but I'm also going to dip into my Jacqueline Hill palette because I want something a little orange to put in my crease. So I'm going to go in with a light color. So I'm going to go in with this color right here. And as you can see, I didn't put a lot of that color down. Just a little bit. And that blended in nicely. Because again, this is not a heavy look. This is just like a soft glam look. Now going back into my soft Glam palette, I'm going to grab this color right here, Bronze. And I'm going to put that all on my lid. It might bring it up just a little higher. Now I'm going to bring that just a little bit higher over my crease. I'm sorry, over my lid. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. And again, I'm going to take it and go a little over my lid just to blend that out. Now I'm going to take a big blending brush again, and I'm just going to blend it out so there's no harsh lines. So it could just look like a natural little glow where it fades in from that orange into that gold. And y'all know I can't do an eye without adding a little smoke to it. So I'm gonna take a tapered blending brush and I'm gonna dip into Rustic. And I'm gonna put a very little, not a lot, just a very little. So I want this look to be about the glow, not so much, not too smoky. So I'm going right here in my outer V. I'm just putting a little bit of that down. I don't know what it is, but I can't do a makeup look without just a little bit of smoke to it. It just doesn't look right to me if it doesn't have more definition to it. So now I'm gonna take that fluffy blending brush and I'm gonna blend that out just a little bit. Again, I don't want this to be too harsh. And what I'm gonna do to soften that up just a little bit, I'm just gonna dip into burnt orange and blend right over it. And this is pretty much it to this eye look. I'm gonna line my eyes, put some lashes on, and I'll be back to do my waterline. And I might put something up in here, my inner corner. So I am back. Liner and lashes are done. So now I'm gonna do my waterline. I am gonna dip back into that orange that we used from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm just gonna brush that all under my eye. Just like that, nothing too heavy. I didn't really add that much to my brush. I'm dipping it in that orange color and then dipping it on a paper towel. And then just brushing that under my eye. My eyes are really watering up today. It took me a while to get my lashes on. Brush wet. Now I'm gonna align my eyes with eyeliner. I'm using this regular old eyeliner that I got from the beauty supply store. As you guys know, I'm not big on eyeliner. So I'm gonna put this right in my waterline. Going back into my Silk Glam palette, I'm going to take Fairy. I'm going to put that right in my tear duct. Just to brighten that just a little bit. Now for lips, I want to go with something kind of soft and glowy, so I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit, and this is in the shade Bali and Love. And then I'm going to use this lip gloss. I got this from a beauty supply store. This is, I don't know what this is. It's Diamond Glow Lip Gloss, and it's a clear color, has a little shimmer to it, nothing too serious. So if you have a lip gloss that's like clear, that has a little shimmer, just a little shimmer to it, you can use that. So I'm just putting a really thin layer on. And this is pretty dry, that's why I'm gonna go in with this over it. I'm gonna put this on the back of my hand and then put it on my lip, just because I don't want that pink in here. And this is just give it the shine out line. I'm kind of over matte lip glosses. Oh, matte lipsticks, I should say. I'm over it. I want gloss. I'm so happy that companies are starting to come back out with glosses, because I'm just over mattes. Very simple and easy. And this is the finished look, guys. I really like it. It's something soft, glowy, that I think is perfect for the summertime. So if you guys like this look, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave me some comments below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.